ka bolela nna ko botsa nnete le o loile 3 weeks ka o botsa ka kale mauro batho ngwemetse re happy se ikhurumetse morira nnete aowa o ka se loe 3 weeks straight up nyana growth le ikhurumetse le a re sa bona sepe o ka re ne ba lema wa itse trekere se nefetso lema nna ko botsa nnete straight no so
Shout out to them, man. I know you listen to the show. So, next time we'll learn how to pronounce it. And I heard that she was actually pregnant by Future. Disappointed that. Disappointed that. I hope that's not the truth. I hope that's not the truth because honestly, I would cry. But you know how it is. What's the industry? Before so I think that's what Future does. I think that's what Future island good guy on did. You know batrega bana ba bang mo space bona se yara nas ndangwana are pa
Rumio batho ba rumio
wandala ai sathani nyana
ba rumio serious
I get happy. Hi. In case you're wondering, I have a new co-host. Feloatic is out of the studio. He's fired. I did say, or I'm looking for someone to, you know, substitute this zombie man.
Speaking of zombies.
Yeah. What? Ah! Are you trying? Wait. Okay, do the intro. Speaking of zombies, yes, I'm listening. Yes.
I have nothing to say.
What is not zombie? Are you not zombie?
Nah, has said nothing.
What is zombie again?
No, I gotta say you alone. Speaking of zombies.
Yeah, speaking of zombies, yes, I'm listening. Speaking of
dot.
Hey man, speaking of zombies, dot.
Good morning.
But we send dot.
Good ellipsis dots.
Oh!
Can I Matric certificate?
Shout out to all the matriculants, man. This next person, our next guest, rather. I read the Matric na. Maroto robota or nagana was a high. Uzile mo gurandeng ile number man from the top.
Guranda sion.
Guranda. So wait, Undurscor. Why are you saying what anyway? Let's introduce the man himself. Pash, you wanna do the honors?
When you jump in way.
You wanna do the honors?
No, today I would say he should introduce himself.
Yeah, man. Okay, so today I'll introduce you.
No.
Onaldina, what's a how?
Why
I will introduce.
Okay. Guys, our guest today is Undurscor Mapudikwanga, aka Kagiso.
Hey man, Kagiso.
Yes.
Break mundo.
Yo.
Hey. But why is it our Zenarsaliti?
Black mundo.
But why is it our Zenarsaliti?
I wanna if Olemoto. We already intro say these deals.
Hey.
But I already said you how feel.
Hey, I wait a homework.
So
I
I had
cannot,
to.
for the life of me, believe for a black mundo. Kegaizo. Or Kaizo again, kasi Sean.
Why would that Sean?
He's okay, Google Alpha Google at that so he's okay. Maybe we translate the line.
Straight. We translate and go English. Otherwise, never cater.
We hanging out with peace. Undurscor, welcome to the show, man. I like the way the reason why I'm asking if Undurscor on a Matric is because of the way he spells his name. But then again, it's like, okay, I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
Creative license.
Sometimes, wait to everything that I do. Extraordinary. I only
True.
Never.
Okay.
So I took Undurscor and changed it. The way Nakinyaganga did was Agate. Yeah. And living now, I'm still crafting the way Kinyagang Ilegate.
Is that day.
Underscore, congratulations on being one of South Africa's favorite person in the world.
Young as best.
Young as best.
Comedy.
What?
Yeah.
Bo. Yeah.
Young as best.
I know. I congrats, honestly. Just like with the Matrix, congratulations. People love you, ne? Everywhere you go.
Everywhere.
And everywhere you go, you are break moon too.
Break moon. Mara sometimes you brown moon to break moon.
Out of the, I know. Yeah. I'm not sure if I'd see you, but but I'd see you. Yeah, as brown moon too, I would still see you. No.
It's not the same. It's not brown muntu. It's not
a lot of people bari nko.
Oh,
Serious.
Ismail.
Nko ya ka braga I ya makhuwa I kokehile.
Awa.
Tsering ding go ha o di level la o ka re wa itsing. O bula bona ripompo tsele za khale tse. Handle la teng e trace ngwe bone ina re shape nyane ngwe ya o makatsa so.
Emma Bale, please, Emma Bale. Okay, sharp. I told from the beginning. I interview did that.
By the way,
And what's amiga?
by the way,
Yeah.
pieces of Rugari in Shona.
Rugari.
Rugari.
Mr. Rugari is in the building. Underscore. Yeah.
Your ultimate.
One for that. And then please go to Facebook, everywhere. Instagram, TikTok. You'll find him. It's underscore UNDU. Yeah, UNDU. Undu. Underscore. Yeah? Feloatic. One follow?
Can follow? Yes.
Have which video is your favorite? Where he
Don't
speaks
put me on the
about-
spot when there's too many.
And this year Kenya ka hore ke follow ke batho ba tsamaya ka at least the iPhone unyana or something. Yeah, but ba di mobisela avantla ile sipila man. A ke pila already bang dira worse. Wa tla and ke bona ba bang fang impression ya hore ba level wa makala hore di views 1 million mara di like ke 200 go tla byang mara ba romilwe fela hore tsamaya bona hore go tsamaya byang ka.
It's not me. I balance.
Ari balance.
What has been the proudest moment for you, underscore, as a creator? Because you're a very creative man.
Well, the proudest moment digi is
One longer it stood out for you.
me going to the high schools.
Yeah.
Yeah. The way ke bona nguri batho ba bang thabela ka teng.
Yeah.
Then in a gong way it gets to make me gore ke be
Well,
emotional.
well,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, like it happens. I'm ke emotional. Guys ke re cool. Yeah.
And then how do you deal ka creative block? Do you have such? I doubt underscore is the first person a creative block also every day.
Dipila di itswane.
Punchline
Every
after
time.
Hey man.
Every time.
You are blessed.
Braga, re bona mehlolo every day. So why tshwantse ke tse big go botsa mehlolo e nna ke e bone. Tshwantse go botsa yona same day.
Same time,
Ka go bathong ke bone ntho engwe ai sharp. Same thing. Ha ke tla ka jeno mo taxing.
Yeah.
Why is it convoy? Why abathong the taxi driver the real ro for you? And they don't understand gore ba tswere maphelo a batho.
Ne?
Wa ka rwa.
Yeah.
And we are accident ka mama Samoani,
Yeah.
is single parent, ngwana o sala ali one, ke ena we ra tlhakatlhakano eng.
So since well all mo taxing. Ba reng aba o makala le mare ba aba jiga hitho itiri mar content ho ira hala.
Aga emona
Itlhaga it exactly underscore.
Aki itse ke re nna ke tsamaya so ke re ira bajaj nyana ya ga mo.
Oh.
Tsamaya. And
Yeah.
guys on go litse ding go re la o lebeletse so wa e bona ra ichumi ma bona. Ke ya. Le ka start ka chumi ma bona.
Ratswan.
So like ke re ka mo taxing ke two lane so.
Yeah.
So bona ba tsamaya off that yellow lane. Ba tsamela nyana ka.
Aowa.
You wonder gore mo ara batho ba botle ka mara taxi. Ba bona ntwe right. A ona o ntho bona poso nyana hore drive o tsameka ka rena
Yeah, I know re mboela ka ntlheng.
ra di dumella le rena like those things.
Ne?
Yeah.
I know right.
But I feel like people just want to get to work. Banyo go ya spanning. I feel like bajaji wa tlo. Until ba underscore ba mmolo.
Overtake, driver overtake.
Please. And okay, speaking of kamukoring when creative ya how is so.
Yeah.
What are some of the mistakes odi bona from other creators? Because guys are one. Maraba important. Marabona what are common mistakes odi bona from bona collectively?
Okay, when it go with like in my platform.
Yeah.
Ne? Well, the mistakes still ngore o ka dira. It's putting a video e leng gore
Swag.
yeah. In a way.
Yeah.
So quality and everything also makes you. But then if I tell you where I started,
Bole.
Tell us.
if I tell you where I started,
Tell us.
Eish. So everything,
Kamo bisela fan so.
Joe, stories like Samagaza, and I believe like it's a plan. The way everything, whether it's too low or if fast, everything happens at its own time.
Yeah.
My bone. So all along, I was someone who very interested in acting and everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
But then due to lack of support, why didn't I very Joe? They don't know anything.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I couldn't get information direct. I tried. I went to state theaters. They gave me fees and what. By the time I could not afford to go in.
Yeah.
Personal kisa or kitchen school sa drama and what.
Yeah.
So I remember in 2016, I was attending my high school at the Tsoho Secondary. Not Tsoho Secondary.
Ya go Mauban.
Yeah, I go Macau.
Macau. Yeah. Macau king. So. Mauban.
Yeah.
King. Macau king. Macau.
Or Macau ki cool.
Macau king. Canchela. Norte.
Yeah, come on, Norte. Come. It's either Bopline or Ranku.
No, Macau is just next to Aranku.
Oh.
It is most probably the
Not
first.
Nagoto. What about green?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ko ba nemba o baba.
No, para
Ba bana ba teng ba baba. O ka ela fela o re o lebella bana ba sekolo. Yeah. A go tsena ngwana sekolo. Ya no ke motho mola ke lebelle bana ba sekolo.
Yeah, dango. Thank you. So no zana tsoho, and then from go tsoho.
So ne ke tsena tsoho 2016 I was doing grade 9.
Sure.
Yeah. I'm the best youngest comedian.
I get really mad, no.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
know. The
1
best
plus 1.
youngest.
Yeah. So 2016 I was doing my grade 9 and then we had to do a drama. Creative arts, and then during that performance group ya ka netsamika azanga ka tsena le class ya batho ba serious nna mo pilong never a ke tlaroanye o ira langa mo pilo ba a ona ntwe serious mo nna wait everything. So like group ya ka nesi serious but like ara prepare and whatsoever.
yeah.
So the day before bushuva day
Yeah.
ke baza mama zala ke nna ke nna uri ke ta ira ka re ke ngaga ka moso babo.
Yeah.
So mama ka ke motho le ngore o bethalesila wa roka.
Yeah.
Okay.
So she has almost everything.
Yeah, I can lead the cut and join in it.
Sure. So lesila la linga ka mola a ke tsuro nga ka teng lesila le le ka mango high a ke wait kona ke na anisa no serious. And then got the beating yana mola and then I was a sangoma.
Wow.
We were the last group to perform.
Yeah.
I remember my teacher was Mem Hlongwane. She's still the best even today.
Yeah.
Shout out, Mem Hlongwane.
She's still the best even today. When performing, score on his thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why is in Nigeria? Kasin sali no wanga go score.
Awa.
Kensa score.
Awa.
One kill one. What gets kill one man.
Underscore.
Kensa score.
Ach.
Why so performing Giri Sangoma, I wasn't really this brilliant. As you know, Undurscor is a body paint artist.
Yes.
It's not really like this. It's not original complexion, but I just use this to make my content super different. No one else is doing it in South Africa.
Yeah. But how did you start creating content for other people from go grade 9 ka drama to now, you know what, let me just do this.
So like what happened is that I performed and then I was the best performer of, you know.
Obvious.
Yeah. And then, well, I tried, but then I failed. From 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20, nothing happened.
So since then, you've been trying to create content.
Yeah.
Do you remember your first video?
Yeah.
And how has that impacted your life? Ever since the one Ella selling your blower to...
Which one is that? When are we doing? It's a tower.
Yeah,
This year I'm doing 4 years.
What?
First day of lockdown, keke start.
Maro, I hope that first video ibile viral.
Ora uri coronavirus ikaswara mundu akoswana lina so. Mapudikwanga straight wauzwa ku Malawi. Coronavirus iswala bombo what is my like keep. Iswala ku Mapudikwanga. Iswala it's an egla Maria ma Blake ya wisa and then wena uya guy.
Kesho bona mola di number lo heaven.
That is my weapon.
Wow.
Yeah, it's kinto ngwe kuru thata mona. I wish ngari ka plasma and then ke fita mo passage ke pra ke bona. Yeah, I wish. And then from there I was very happy, but then I wasn't sure if you know this is the time the dream is starting to live or not. I kept my consistency.
Yeah.
Remember by then nearly lockdown break. I did that the first day of lockdown. Everyone was rocked up.
Yeah.
They couldn't go anywhere. So social media at that time was very, very, very powerful.
Yeah.
It didn't take me 2 months.
To blow up.
Yeah, no.
Benung, quickly, speaking of lockdown, I restricted. Didn't you feel like, now you're running out of ideas because of lockdown?
Yeah.
Not really.
But what kept you motivated? Because, I mean, I bet, I'm good as my last video, sharp.
Maybe. Yeah.
The
best.
Let's go in.
Everything I do, this guy is available.
King
Dope.
King ma?
Dope.
Dobu.
Yeah,
Wa rap mfana
King
kanga.
Makwete.
Wa produce. Wiranga uphilo ba.
Including brand. That's my brand.
Dangine braga for hore di mana sa stop and iram because wow.
Always. This is a blessing to him.
Away.
It's serious.
Alright, man. We're speaking more with Undurscor on the flip side. Reto touch about on, you know, like, the latest trends and whatnot. Otherwise, Thobile Dlamini is standing by for the news. Oshabojo for sports. Orwira lang, barjela.
Balijile.
Barjel.
Balijile.
Barjel.
Yeah, but
Barjela.
we remain hopeful. We remain hopeful.
I give up.
Yeah.
I give up,
Hey.
Shem. Hey.
No.
Nah, man. The Bacardi energy is just way too strong.
No, so. No.
I can't need the Shem. The Bacardi energy is too strong, man, on this one. And let's not forget to give a couple of people their flowers. Giba Entertainment, Dada Mega Man Giba Entertainment. Mellow and Sleazy. Sure.
Give a man, like, I've only seen him once. I give music that much.
Okay.
Yeah, but I love what that guy is doing. What push, come on.
Only other songs.
I haven't really went deep.
Okay.
Guy.
Yeah, no. Mu push.
Maragista.
Mu push. As long as
Basta. You know what happened? So, I started taking my content very serious, planned last year. Or, you know, now I'm doing it. Like a lot of people bump on my phone and it scares go on a straight. So,
yeah, true.
Rather, I'm gonna brown moon.
Actually.
And I'm gonna brown moon. That's why I get happy because I know a loyal fan.
Yeah.
In and
Wow,
out.
weeds.
Yeah. So they released this song. I think on the 21st.
It's at December.
Yeah.
Because the name of the song is called Christmas Present.
Christmas party.
Yeah.
Christmas present.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what happened? How do I get a Christmas party? Got 25 ne go rangwana le Christmas party. Go ambience. What is the ambience?
You're inviting go ambience.
Why is it so I decided to go, you know what? Like, and I love Mellow Sleazy.
But no bad this. Sure.
But you know, I only found out later but Fana next door in the street. So
Heaven.
yeah. Serious.
Heaven.
So
Hey.
basically I got 25 in the Christmas party. Ne?
Araba phone Undurscor.
Do my guy. Ashe mama rikai. Elite ni heshi oblela mnati ya mukamara liko. Oblela ni Mapudikwanga Undurscor.
Motsoro mo radio.
Kimara liong akhir kan tuwena umpulitse uri umfale number tsa hao and then I do wena do nyalana cause wa rata batho ba ba talk dark and skinned. Ukatsuwa ubula le motho a tsona le nna. O sa itse. O imagine fela o bona ntwe ngwe ya o tsosa.
Wait. I'm still very curious about Christmas party.
Yeah.
So Shab, you don't know
So-
Mellow and Sleazy band next door.
Yeah. I haven't met them and then Mellow Sleazy. By then, na phone na ne o le monate December.
Sure.
Brian and then so this song ning hype almost every day and then they released a post their Christmas party. Mellow and Sleazy on the lineup.
Ish.
Why Tarwan?
Ish.
And then I took my lessons. I wasn't booked it da.
Yeah.
Mara o tlhada.
Yeah, ke tlhada.
Wa patela.
Yeah,
We let us Undurscor.
as Undurscor, yeah. Fair so.
Yeah.
So it wasn't sponsored and everything and then yeah, that's in a VIP. Why is it go VIP?
Ah,
Ona
fair.
di tini di do mamanga.
Yeah.
Are aba vina siskomota ere ma style kwa. Yeah. Why Tarwan? So I got a chance to meet him. Yeah. Ke mo ke boning Mellow Street ka mo tshwara ka letso. And you know what? You know ke ratile ngaen. Mfano lana pride.
Ne?
Yeah, o tsona le nna.
Sure.
So whenever ke find motho ile ngore ke feel o tsona le nna, that's whereby ke feelang
La clique.
sure.
Honnamna.
Ana pride, show brag in sang shapo.
Yeah.
Snap ra fetsa la ya ko maestro ra kana mfano ke ma ola wa. Yeah.
Yeah.
Masa jole di za mali wa le bona le gogolo siri ka pole di. Yeah, mo yo fly.
No robotsoro degree le go e.
Yeah.
Hewe.
Re feel ke Mellow Sleazy. Di but for corner le tsona di breletse mara ze black.
Yeah, just in case you're wondering what
So
he
we are
looks
wait we writing.
Yeah.
For ka o re file Mellow. A re mfana ka Mfele Dlamini na one sosanyana. Kamarata mara one sosanyana. Yeah, and then Mellow amfazo.
Wow, man.
So yeah, then it's ile go Christmas party. And then for a long naginya ko ya daso ke batlo bolela le gipa we gipa. You know what? Irigitsen why is joyous artist the way mo ngwa ipulela. Yeah. Never to all the babotle ba batlang go morao. O ske bo feel ashamed. You rather try. Push. If ipadile, but then what if? You're saying?
Yeah, what do you mean?
Yeah. So moko zo moting. No, this other guy ba ke gwa ja meet. O bolela thata so are no ske na batho.
O ka mo ranguele. Yeah, I know. Karaka mo.
So e ke zo mo le ratlo keep on. Yeah. So he was happy fella hore I came there uninvited.
Wow.
Yeah. So ambuso ro nyagang.
Sure.
And I'm like kinyagang jo. Ito ni kinyaga ke greile so I say jur kinyagang jo.
Man.
One talon.
That's amazing. Undurscor.
Mike wani mo tamfa Hennessy brega via so p. Kamera li boxi.
Ke bokae kan?
Matao 980 something.
Kamera ambience.
Kamera ambience ya wet.
Yeah.
Something.
Kamera
182,000. Yeah.
Okay.
O tsena go VIP mona. Bia lava VIP ba to.
Ne?
Yeah. That's why batho ba teng ba bina pila because bia la bore rekile ka kudu.
And what do you have to like? What is your take on this whole NS fasting? Matric matriculate finally. Right? Is working mom.
Yeah. Mara se ba botle.
Yeah.
So coming on taba ya matric na I just want to talk to my brothers and sisters by they did not make it.
Sure.
You know everything mo lefatsheng ina na kwa yona brother.
Yeah.
Hence go botsa ke rena ke enjoy the wilo tsa ka tsamaya ngata.
Ne.
So to everyone who did not make it, I just want to tell them I was once there.
Ne.
Yeah. I didn't pass my matric at first.
Yeah.
Because that year brother in 2020 ke ngwana le exam ka December ukra what is it invite to come and shoot my chance part 2 and what. First time appearing on TV, I compromised. I took Undurscor and said I'm taking this guy forward.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then I failed my exams.
Mama salaring Undurscor. How fail and then come and I busy about Undurscor how.
My mom is the most supportive person.
Okay.
Yeah. So when she talks to me, I give her reasons, and she understands where she advises. Yeah. But then, Sure. So
the mom's
after failing my matric, it was nearly painful. Yeah. But then all along, keep preparing. Like you know, a lot of people why is wrong with the exam, but then you still give yourself matala ko rimuro pasise. No, don't do that. Prepare yourself. Witty,
yeah.
Whatever system going. So after failing my matric, I failed again. Yeah. I get ashamed to then because when I about to when fail matric and they think who failed na matric agunya geluri konya gamvereko kaona or something.
Nagereka joka kanto fail matric
and na ke moto vereka. Wa mvereko akera timvereko pela ke.
Mare sala pass.
Oh, pass it
last year.
Wow.
So I took a chance
Fun
last year.
Yeah.
I'm writing again. I'm gonna make it. Leilor asintoki nyagang, but I wanna have that document. I have matric. Yeah. I can't be going to school for full 12 years.
Have it all those nasib.
Why did you go there?
Yeah.
So if you wanna be different to the next person, go to school.
Ne?
Yeah.
Shout out.
Must put that. Please say that again if you want to.
If you want to be different from the next person, go to school.
I'm fun. Enough said.
Sure.
Christmas present. Case why Buzisa, it's still breakfast with Undurscor. Yes, he's in the studio right now building 4G23. If you come to UT gamo, the results on your tapila, Otoba Bonsoria, Ashil engineering elaway, Panza,
yeah.
Don't forget at the top, something branch is coming through. She's hanging out with and after that, daytime chill, they're hanging out with and then there's 326, the rider drive, and they're talking to Undurscor. If someone wants to do something different with their lives and you just inspired them right now,
if they want to what?
If they want to be like you, if they want to be like Wayne, or by inspiring right now, what you just said, who push.
As I said, the best thing is trying. So whatever selling or below you do it. Do it. Sometimes do research. Like as a why a content creator, you must do your research. Yeah, you must know how to post, when to post, and got everything.
Yeah.
So don't just say I wanna. So it will never happen.
Yeah.
But do you think content creation is becoming more competitive, especially people like yourself who are just inspiring?
Yeah.
These young ones. Is becoming...
TikTok replaced Dstv.
Yeah.
So TikTok le motho ha ka TV ka tsamaya ka yona go tole. O ka tsamaya ka yona. So TikTok and we put it on TikTok tsa batho bo le tlhaisa dilo tse ding. I want ke manga ba sendelang di video but ba lebella dilo tse ding jo ai. So a journal batho ba ntse ba leng gore they fought poverty ka content creation. Too much. Look at William KRM last.
Hey.
Yeah.
He even moved from his original country and come to
Nah. All because of the Zaga. That's dope, man. That's dope.
So that didn't actually right.
Yeah.
Only if you do things right, le batho ba right.
So what is your future? What are your plans in terms of this?
As I said before, before.
Yeah.
So already I have following. I'm working on 2 shows, different shows.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Better come find out.
So tsela be nngwe itse we lang.
Yeah.
Dia baba. Dia baba. What did you tell us nnete? Tsa o tseisa. Go re bolela nnete ka phoso.
Mara, how do you strike now? Before we get to jump into, how do you strike a balance between Undurscor lekaiso?
It's one person in a way, because this guy comes from that guy.
Okay.
Yeah. So
lucky
lucky to those who have seen me in person, you would really enjoy the moment. Erga sin so wa di mali wa tsa chance ke le teng. Company la re ka le tlape. Wa tlalwa. Yeah. So it's better to see me.
Yeah.
Kili kamukol brown moon. Yeah. But then it also get best. Because I cannot recall like ira ntongo lo ngeke nya ko opela ka opela I cannot tao. Why tlalwa?
Yeah. All right, man. Before we end the show, let's do jump into a blind. This is where we ask you questions just to get to know you even more. And warabe fast. Like yeah, sure. So do you prefer zombies or vampires?
Zombies. Zombie now. Yeah.
Would you rather hang out in a group or maybe only one?
One.
Maybe when I mo one fela or batho.
Personally. Lewato.
Ne? How many people? How many people?
I get count.
Sure.
But then because I know if you spend an hour then I'm gonna make a lot of people is the pain emotionally.
Yeah.
So
are you a loud neighbor or sharp? What kind of neighbor are you?
Ko botsa nnete le o loile 3 weeks ka o botsa ka kale mauro batho ngwemetse re happy se khurumetse mo rira nnete aowa o ka se loe 3 weeks straight up nyana growth le khurumetsa le are sa bona sipe o ka re ne ba lema wa itse trekere se nefetso lema nna ko botsa nnete straight no sojo.
Would you rather be rich and famous or would you rather be rich and unknown?
I'm already famous, so rich and famous.
There we go.
Yeah.
There we go. A call first thing in the morning or a call in the middle of the night. Warabe effing osayarabe. Early morning or middle of the night.
I wish you.
Yeah. Or Robert.
Or Wira. I could.
Yeah.
What if you got for fallen this day? But phone like a driver if you look at the accident one physically stories tell you.
Yeah, no. Yeah. Don't do that, man. But thank you so much. It's Undurscor, ladies and gents. Everywhere my socials, isn't it?
Yeah.
NDU.
So UNDURSCOR, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, but then go Twitter. It's Real Underscore.
X, no. X.
Yeah, X. Kwa ke ko X le kopanang ko teng.
Oh, X.
Oh, nyaka X ha o je. Tsena Twitter ta bona di X.
What's an ama X ve?
Yeah.
X again.
Jo le ko website ding ke teng.
Hey man.
Tseletsa wa itse brega ke. Samboza ntela ka story. Wa izuru re teng ka website ding ka.
Go X go.
A ungo bethanyana self service nyana. Tsonse we too se Jo. We too se wemela mang. But the power is in your hands. Wena nyako bya hands mo power mo matsonga motho mong. I would disappoint tsonse mo rekele airtime December ha fitla liquid fruit ha tsena hanya ke liquid fruit nya ka Fanta.
So Abel or o teng kwa S underscore or S brown muntu.
Real underscore. Oh ra
Go self service.
Ai kwale self service ai brown muntu wa itse a o ke sta wa vevo la bene. Self service job ona dai den tsuntsutile matsapa brek.
Self service.
Kam khokona go rekela ngwana mo myala wa se terekile 6 years Savannah we kille ka mo kamoreng let's soul music solve session wa reka data fela 2 gig wa checka network before to marita bazao wa checka network gore ape network ka khata tsontso tswelle pele ka tlhalanya hao o ka siemi
Load shedding.
o ka siemi o ka si
Trishy Trish.
So thank you so much to Underscore for the plug, man. It's Mellow, Sleazy, Gipa Entertainment. That man, Christmas present.
sure
Sure.
so
I know.
so NSFAS received almost over 1 million
1 million, yeah.
applications
Yeah.
Yeah.
so in a way government they are patela ba bohle
Yeah.
ho thoma ka ngwana o le monyane
Yo.
yo fa 500 grant ho seno nna motho mo holo se nyakong ho ira sepo se nyakong ho ya sekolong and what yo fa
Bao,
350
350.
and then o ya sekolong ba o fa 4.7 3.7 o ya sekolong ha ke re o decide to do something is better nyana le risa tsene ba o fa NSFAS
Yeah.
wa tlhalwana yeah
No,
or o reka ngwana o
Awa.
ira ngwana wa kry 500
Oh, wa
wena nahana braga o na le bana ba bai 7 500 times 7 times 4 years investment o na le tšhelete jo government intsazaka jo ka o botsa
1 million.
yeah
What's spending?
or wa nwa tse pedi wa namela skontiri ya thula ke koloi
wena.
wa tshwara bo ma 5 million
Taba gore I blew it. I blew it at
ai
last time.
ba itse tšhelete ya rafu ba ba fa yona hore ba kgone o e busa gape
Oh.
a wa e bone o ka re
Investment.
investment
Ke a bona o ya kae.
and ba ira connection ba o loya pele before e tsena ba o loya pele ore o tlo nwa tšhelete ya gago ko kae le kae le kae o tlo betšha mang le mang le mang batho ba bereka same as ka mo kerekeng ya mazelwane wena o bona motho wa motshwara tlhoa ke dipaipai me a kwa se ka shela ka a ona da den brek ba jale phuteo o ntsha 5 clip ka mora kereke
Ne?
wena o etile ore o mo mpšha o ntsha 600 ora ka simple ha kereke e tswa ba mo fa 300 ai tšhelete le o e file ke moruti from onset dithom
So ne? What is the best way? Oka like ozama ba thibela.
ke ba tibela horeng
Hore ba ska succeed. O ile go kerekeng ya ka dithapelo or ya rafa he tsena be le go sharp. Di
Braga.
Kemi
insurance every black person na le insurance an African insurance motlamo
Awa.
yeah 2 liter o tswa mo wena or na o ko betile no so na le that do not wash do not temple dry ko grele ka mara ulis
857 20 FM ra le.
wa bo traise ka motasa star
RJ saying, guys, something branch is coming through right now with LR and Nage Shapo. Get Shapo Shem. Hi. Inge. Agul.
thanks for the opportunity
Agul. Oh, I think, okay, yeah, something branches just gave us permission to carry on. It's fine. We are jumping over.
yari
Imagine.
no what's king motlamo breka o kile lo tsa ka di tsameka mkhokeng ya ka ngiri le re damana ska fitla a gitsere wa ya fitlile a sa fitla mara
Ke motlamo mo fitlhang teng.
yeah wa what do not
Insurance.
wash do not temple dry do not bleach
Ke a o tshwara.
o e kenya go tlhapa ke khono go ngwamolla pila ka daiden ya ditlhabo ya wa itse
Ke a o tshwara.
ba itsa velcro ka sko
I'll
wa itlhalwa
experience.
wa ngwamolla pila wa o bya kwa se mezo o etile o kra motho wa a o yetela sna fetsa o tangoro wa tlhobolanyana motlamo mo letekemo ene mind you se le ka kra ngwana mo wa itse re hola jora zama
Yeah.
like and that and I was like motlamo ke la ntla ko bona bya no straight 99 so so mo la ke re ke masa jangwana le theka by mistake motlamo le wa kawa
Awa.
I underscore.
serious
O counts insurance.
bona ke bone ngwana la gafana malsal val tsa mal zula language ke di zombie wa itse malsal val tsa mal se lo bona motho a bolela ha pila byang mara ke rata pitori mara a di tse di ralang ka mara ka
Underscore. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Breakfast with tea. Last words from your side. Lady shout out to how.
thanks to everyone who's been consistent following me sending much love to me because guys after all I'm who I am because of everyone
Sure.
like yourselves so
Sure.
thank you for pushing me and to all those who send messages like someone will be going through a very rough day or very rough situation and they send me a message or Joe I'm going through 1 2 3 karibala ri message le lo ra ke di arabe nga se di arabe tsotlhe
Yeah.
Bible. But there are those mo ilong gore motho a send a message or I'm going through 1 2 3 1 2 3 and then I came through
Yeah.
your content
You made
bra
my
you are
day.
amazing
Yeah.
modimo a o okeletse and So those things still and say they really keep me moving forward.
Ah, man. We love you so much and congratulations for being one of the best.
Youngest.
The youngest.
Yeah.
Best
Youngest. You know how old I am? It's for the first time disclose like my information. This is the first formal interview.
Now 21, fan. Oh, sharp. All 21.
So I'm only 21 years old. Started content
For the
grade 9, yeah.
14.
Not go grade 9. I started 2020. I was doing Matric by then. I was 18.
Yeah.
18, yeah. Lega je go since I no say really sipe mara ka push.
Push a jump fan.
Ane ke fihlile go ke ya.
Ne?
Ke fihlile.
Oyi, umo breakfast with tea.
Breakfast with tea.
Umo breakfast with tea.
Trishy Trish.